Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send GIFs in Messenger Web on your PC. GIFs are a fun and easy way to express yourself, and they make your chats a lot more exciting. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to messenger.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of conversations. Now, find the chatouts where you want to send a GIF. Whether it's a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, click on the conversation to open it. Next, once you're inside the chat, look for the GIF icon. You'll find it right below the text box where you type your message. It should be labeled GIF. Click on this icon to open up the GIF search window. Now it's time to find the perfect GIF. You can search for a GIF by typing keywords into the search bar at the top of the GIF window. For example, you can type something like celebrate, funny, or love to see a list of relevant GIFs. You can also browse the trending GIFs or categories if you want to explore more options. Once you've found the GIF you want to send, simply click on it. The GIF will automatically appear in the message input box, ready to be sent. All that's left to do is hit enter or click the Send Yours button, and your GIF will be sent instantly to the chat. And that's it. You've just sent a GIF in Messenger Web on your PC. It's a simple and fun way to add some personality and humor to your conversations. If this video helped you, be sure to bust like, comment, and subscribe for more messenger tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.